Hi everyone, I am Ananya and I'm here to explain you about the exception handling in Java and its importance. Now first we have to know what is the meaning of exception handling. Exception handling in Java is a mechanism that is used to handle the runtime errors. First we have to know what is the meaning of error. Error is anything that causes or prevent the program from the execution. To handle these errors we will be using the concepts such as known as exception handling. By using this exception handling, we can handle those errors and we can improve the overall reliability and robustness of Java applications. Now, what are the types of exception that will be occurring in Java? There are mainly two types of exceptions, that is checked exception and unchecked exceptions. Now, checked exceptions are those that will be arriving on in compile time, and these can be caught by using the keyword known as throws, and whereas unchecked exception will be occurring in runtime. And the examples for these are like null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, and the examples for checked exceptions may be that IO exception, file not found exception, etc. Now, to handle these exceptions, we will be using 5 keywords in Java. Those are try, catch, finally, throw and throws. Now, we will be seeing the try catch block. Now, try block is used to enclose the code that may throw an exception. Whenever you are in a doubt that your code may or may not throw an exception, you should use the try block. In this try block, we will be writing the block of code that causes an exception, and then if any exception occur, that exception will be handled by using the catch block. So catch block will contain the block of the code that catches and handle the exception that is thrown by the try block. So the syntax should be try block then followed by the catch block, and we can use multiple catch blocks to handle the different types of exceptions, that is arithmetic exception, file not found exception, null pointer exception, etc. Now finally block. It is used to execute the code that should always run irrespective of the exception raised or not. It is commonly used for releasing resources like closing a file or database connection. The syntax will be try block followed by catch and then followed by finally, and then the next line of the code will be executed. Now the another keyword is throw keyword. Throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception within a method. Now it will be what it allows the developers, that is it will be allowing the developers to create a custom exception. Now throwing an exception stop the normal flow. Like previously discussed, these exception handling are used to handle the exception so that the normal flow of the program is not disturbed. Now what is the importance of this exception handling? Exception handling helps in separating error handling code from regular programming language. This will it is used to handle the exception and the normal flow of the program will be continued. It makes the code more readable and maintainable by centralizing error handling mechanism. Proper exception handling can prevent the unexpected program termination. At last, it will be providing the better use experience. Now, what are the best practices? These you can know by reading the slide. And now we'll be using this exception handling also in multi-threaded environments that will be requiring some special attention due to the complexity, where it will be based on the complexity we'll be using, like as I discussed, we can use multiple catch blocks to handle the exceptions. Now coming to conclusion, it is very useful to use this in Java programming for ensuring the robust and reliable applications, and this is all about the exception handling in Java. I'll be giving a link in the description so that you can go through the program for your better understanding. Thank you.